Hi, your name?
My name is Lola.
And you're holding the complete tissue ointment in your hand. Tell me a little bit, what happened?
Yeah, I have it boil and I have a big hole.
Okay.
And I use this because you it tells me this is gonna be good.
Right.
And it's really good. The hole was close together.
How big was the hole?
Like maybe a little bit, like 10 cents.
Okay, right.
Was a big, I think after something.
Right.
And they heal so good.
Right.
And really even 3-4 days was
Wow.
done.
Right, okay.
Yes. And now from that time I don't have it, no boils, and I still keep it.
Yeah. So, you know, you can use it for burns and scratches and rashes and everything. So how would you rate this product from 1 to 10? 10 being very good.
10.
10?
10 because I buy another one and send for my daughter-in-law to Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nice. So you like the products?
Yes.
And that's the complete tissue ointment. Yes. There we go.
And I have it like new skin, not even a scar.
Nice. So it looks perfectly healed.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's really, really good.